So today's video is gonna be about edge trim by Cowless Custom. I don't know, I never got this, guys. I got it at AutoZone, so don't get on me for me getting stuff at AutoZone, because some of this little stuff works. So what I'm gonna use this for is for my splitter on my car. As you guys can see how there's no like trimming on here. It already got a little chipped up. It got worse on the other side, but as you can see, I already kind of applied the trimming on here. Try to get in there real quick. You guys can see that. Look at the difference though, watch. See this compared to this over here. So yeah, I kind of already started. As you guys can see, here's the trimming. And yeah, I kind of already started. Sorry for like if it's too hard to see, because it looks dark on from my point of view. But I kind of already started already, and I forgot to mention I'm not using like no like type of glue or anything. I'm just like gonna just slap it on there. I cleaned it with some alcohol, so let's see how that goes. But as I'm putting it on, I'm like applying pressure to it here, freaking stick onto it hard. But so far it seems like really on there. But don't get me wrong, this shit might fly off or something. I need to cover these right here. Someone told me to put clips on here. What you guys think? Should I do it? Or should I not? Should I do it? Or should I not? Alright guys, so this is it. I don't recommend this to anybody because, it might not work. But yeah, I'm just letting the sun hit it to see, if it sticks a little more on there. So far, it looks good. What else can I say? Don't try this at home. This is spice out shit. Nah, I'm just kidding. But yeah guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. This was like a little short one. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. But I'll let you know. I'll let you guys know how this turns out. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Take care. Don't catch that Rona. Deuces.
Hey yo, it's your boy the Feeling Beats. Get at me for this one.